So before we dive into this market update, I wanted to talk about this project called Ubit. So Ubit is pioneering a new era of cryptocurrency ecosystem. So what they're saying here is that in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, innovation knows no bounds. Ubit coin has emerged as a trailblazing crypto coin, ushering in a new era of possibilities with its unique ecosystem and advanced features. So with its dedicated blockchain, ubitscan.io, and a supply of approximately 990 million Ubit coins, this digital asset has quickly captured the attention of crypto enthusiasts and investors alike. Let's dive into it. So taking a look here at the products, right? That's one thing that I think is separating Ubit from a lot of other cryptocurrencies is the product. So we see here that they have an exchange, they have e-commerce, they have a DEX, they have a blockchain, a FX trader broker, virtual meeting app, Ubit. They have the blockchain Ubit Scan, official blockchain explorer, Ubit Pro, Ubit Pay, and also have a wallet, a Ubit card, and Ubit Swap, which is their DEX. So really making it a one-stop shop, which I think is huge, especially for people coming into crypto. So one of the most challenging things when I got into crypto was I had to jump around everywhere. I had to go for here for this, here for that. I want to do this. I had to go everywhere. Ubit is making it. You don't have to go anywhere. Just use Ubit. Everything is there for you. But let's dive in. So looking at the coin's vision, Ubit's ecosystem is a comprehensive suite of blockchain-based services and products centered around its native cryptocurrency, Ubit coin, which is the tokens called Ubit. So this ecosystem aims to provide a wide range of solutions to cryptocurrency users, including trading, payments, blockchain, exploration, and more. So we see what's going on, right? But let's dive in exactly to the products that are offered here. So if you go to the top of the screen, you do see all the products listed, but let's dive in a little bit to see what exactly at the problem being solved. Like what exactly is being solved when we look at all the products being offered, because that's going to impact adoption. The fact that I don't have to go everywhere to, if I want to go to, use an exchange, if I want to do e-commerce, everything here is a one-stop shop. Let's look here at the exchange. So Ubit Pro Exchange is a part of the Ubit ecosystem, offering decentralized exchange and swap services. With Ubit Pro Exchange, users can have a user-friendly interface and offer user-friendly seamless trading experiences. So here they also have e-commerce. So Ubit e-commerce involves digital platforms within the Ubit ecosystem for buying and selling services online. Crazy. So increased accessibility, Ubit e-commerce provides a platform for users to conveniently access products and services from anywhere with an internet connection. Huge. So even the DEX, taking a look at the DEX facilitates cryptocurrency trading without a central authority, allowing peer-to-peer transactions. You guys know how big that is, especially as we continue to dive and navigate through regulation within the crypto space. People are going to want to use a DEX and have a DEX as an option. Taking a look here at the blockchain, Ubit's blockchain guarantees secure and transparent transaction recording across its ecosystem's decentralized ledger. Faster transactions. Ubit blockchain is allowing faster transaction processing compared to traditional centralized systems, facilitating quicker settlement and improved user experience. So FX trading broker, you guys know we come from the Forex background, so we love to see Forex aligned and ingrained within blockchain ecosystem. So the Forex trading broker oversee currency exchanges and trade execution, providing platforms for informed decision making in Forex markets. They do offer leverage, allowing traders to amplify their trading positions with leverage. One unique thing that I have not seen in a while is a virtual meeting app. So Ubit is offering a virtual meeting app that facilitates remote participants in online meeting conferences or discussions via video conferencing. Now, this is big because you guys know we pretty much live in a virtual world now. So it's cool to see that they're allowing that, really not making it any reason for you to go outside of this ecosystem, right? So Ubit Scan is the official blockchain explorer for Ubit Coin blockchain. It provides users with access to various blockchain data. You have Ubit Pro, which is an advanced version of the Ubit platform, which is offering enhanced features and services for professional business use. Ubit Pay which is big, is the payment gateway or service that facilitates for Ubit transactions. And you can see here, lastly, they have the Ubit wallet, Ubit card, and Ubit swap, and really pretty much making it pretty much accessible for you to just utilize your funds and provide physical or virtual debit card with the Ubit card, and also a Ubit wallet, which is a secure digital wallet designed for storing, sending, and receiving your Ubit, and then the swap, which is the DEX, right? Everyone wants that option for a decentralized exchange or a swap service within this ecosystem, allowing users to swap cryptocurrencies. So this is big. So definitely love what I'm seeing here. And one thing I want you to look at is the Ubit Coins mission. So their mission and vision is that they want to have a comprehensive suite of blockchain-based services and products centered around the native token Ubit. So Ubit Coin and that pretty much that ecosystem aims to provide a wide range of solutions for cryptocurrency users, and they're doing just that. You can see with all the products and services that they offer, they are doing just that. So if you take a look at, the Ubit markets where you can buy Ubit coin store, it's at 11 cents. And one thing I want you to take a look at is you can only buy it at coin store right now. That is a plus. Typically what happens is when you start adding exchanges, that's when the trading volume continues to increase. Typically price increases with that. So definitely take a look at the timing when you're paying attention to this project, because timing does matter. So going to their Twitter, you can see here, I was scrolling through it, going through their Twitter here, you can take a look here at their official Twitter page, and you can see that they've done AMAs, right? And they do have a representative for Ubit to talk at AMAs and, really get the word out there of what they're doing, because they are solving a problem. People don't want to bounce around. People want to be able to go one place and take care of everything. So that is a big value add when you look at the products that Ubit is offering. Ultimately, everything is being fueled by the Ubit coin, guys. So definitely take a look at that, and let's dive into the next article. Taking a look at this article here, spot Ethereum ETF should be fully approved by the end of summer, says SEC Chair Gary Gensler. What's the catch? Let's take a look. The beautiful thing is, though, that it is spot ETF, spot Ethereum ETF, and not just an ETF. So you're not doing futures, you're not just betting on the price, but you are definitely involved in an ETF where the asset is actually being bought. So that is definitely something fairly bullish, but let's check it out and see what's going on. So Chairman of the SEC says that Ethereum-based exchange products ETF should be approved by a regulatory agency by the end of the summer. Speaking at a recent U.S. Senate hearing, SEC Chair Gary Gensler says that while the SEC partially approved Ethereum's ETF earlier this year, they won't be fully approved until at least a few months. So here he said that, and in May, the SEC greenlit Form 19B4 filings from several financial services titans, and so pretty much BlackRock, Van Eck, Grayscale, and Fidelity, ARK Invest, bringing their bids to create an ETH ETF, one step closer to fruition. Now, you guys know I do have some concerns about Ethereum, but I do think it is a great investment long term. Very, very, very bullish on Ethereum from a price action standpoint. So we know Ethereum's one of those sure bets. You know it's not going anywhere, especially given the track record and pretty much everything that Ethereum's been through. It's one of the goats. It's been around a while. So last week, $3 billion worth of the leading smart contract platform was moved out of centralized exchange platforms after SEC approved the company's filings. So people are holding their bags when it comes to buying Ethereum, and the long term play with Ethereum. It's not going anywhere. Not financial advice, but just our opinion. So taking a look at this article here, we see that on-chain analysts unveil Bitcoin price target, says Bitcoin now competitive to gold's market cap. Now, we talked about gold's market cap before, and we see the similarities. So looking here, we see that the former leader of the analyst team and crypto analytics firm Glassnode predicts that Bitcoin will hit six figures this cycle. A new interview on the Blue Cow Bitcoin channel, James Check says Bitcoin could rise more than 120% from its current value. Now that's, I mean, everyone's pretty much expecting that at this point. Like, it's just a matter of when, it's not a matter of if. Okay. I do think that if you have a bullish president in the United States that's bullish on crypto, I think that is something that will trigger an absolute massive wave from a bullish standpoint. So pay attention to November 5th. I definitely think that will trigger the bull run if in fact former President Donald Trump wins the election. So we'll see how that plays out. But that's really just, for me, looking at the market conditions and looking at how everything has played out and what's being said during his campaigns. I think that is something that will trigger an absolute explosion. Okay, so very excited to see that. That is actually one of our predictions here. We're looking at the markets. You know, we take a look at CoinMarketCap and we see that you know, we do get pullbacks, and that's okay. We actually love pullbacks here. Like, we love the pullbacks. Give me a pullback, we're buying some. We bought some more today. Give us a pullback. I think today we bought some more ADA. So give us a pullback, 42 cents, steal. You guys know how I feel about XRP, right? Everyone's dumping, not I would say everyone, a lot of people are dumping XRP. And I think that's going to be one of those mistakes, because the XRP token, and if those partnerships and, you know, the competition with the Swift banking system, if Ripple just does what it says it's going to do and deliver, and those partnerships actually result in a massive use of the network, I do believe XRP will be that sleeping giant. It's going to outperform. It's going to perform the way people thought it would perform during, you know, the bull run, but it didn't, because the SEC and, you know, I think a lot of banks were on the sidelines. But the fact that they beat the SEC, and to be honest with you, I think you can credit XRP for these ETFs as well. Okay, XRP is the reason why we have these ETFs. Okay, they conquered the giant and led the way and spearheaded all these other plays for ETFs. Okay, there's no way we would have a Bitcoin ETF right now, or Ethereum ETF right now, and more to come if the SEC won against XRP. No, not a chance. So big shout out to XRP, and I think that is going to be one for the history books, and I think you're going to see that, and I think they're going to play to that when you talk about partnerships, because they're the one that, you know, didn't just settle. A lot of these other projects just settled, and a lot of that has to do with not having the capital to go to war. A lot of it has to do with you know, really just wanting to, you know, the fear of failure, of losing. That is a possibility. And so definitely shout out to XRP today for spearheading and being the reason why we have crypto ETFs today, for sure. Spot ETFs today. So guys, hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. See you soon.